Hey guys, Ken Salvail here today. Just a little visit over here to Don's greenhouse and having a look at some cool plants. Like, he's always got lots of cool stuff. So let's just check this out here. What is this thing? This is a weird looking plant.
This is a euphorbia, Ken, and like we try and mark everything. This is Euphorbia decarii.
Right.
And people look at this and say, ooh. I look at it and go, oh.
It's so
like,
cool looking.
Look at this little piece in here. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the bloom. That is the blossom.
Isn't
right
that amazing?
That's the blossom.
You can't hardly tell the thing is.
See, look at that. That's the blossom.
Wow, and it does look like a euphorbia bloom.
It's a euphorbia bloom, and you look at this new growth coming on the tip of this. I almost cut that off because it looks so dead. But look at the new growth coming.
Yeah.
It's a fabulous plant. I'm really pleased.
Such a weird thing, though.
Really pleased with this plant.
Now, do you know where this thing comes from? Or?
I don't.
That's a good question.
I should be documenting that. I'm sure I can find out.
But the euphorbia group is so diverse, eh? It's just unbelievable.
Yeah. I mean, this is a euphorbia here. This is a euphorbia.
Yeah.
This one's a euphorbia stellata.
Yeah, isn't that cool? Just so strange.
Yeah, euphorbia stellata, and
then you get euphorbias that look like cacti. Like this is a euphorbia.
That's euphorbia. Yeah.
Yeah, and yet it's not a cactus. It's a euphorbia.
Yeah.
There's so many cool succulents. Of course, eh?
That's a euphorbia.
Yeah, with actual leaves on it.
Euphorbia.
Yeah.
And of course, this is a euphorbia.
Yeah, there's another one that's got some blooms. Again, the blooms look quite similar.
Yeah, similar to that little thing, you know. It's very cool.
Something, eh?
Very cool.
Yeah, it's just such a diverse family group. Very cool. But that one definitely takes a cake, as I would say, is one of the strangest looking plants for sure. Yeah. It's just something that is weird and unusual, and for people who like weird, cool, unusual plants, that's got to be one of them. One of the most rare. I don't know. I saw a picture of it once, but I never actually saw one.
I'll propagate a baby for you at some point.
Oh, that would be fabulous. What a cool thing. All right. Thanks very much, Don.
Take care.
Yeah.